Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Bestpu case and tempered glass screen protector for the Essential Phone PH1. But before we jump into the package, let me give you guys a little bit of backstory. So, I recently purchased another set of screen protectors for the Essential Phone, as you can see right here, because the quest for the best screen protectors for the Essential Phone, it continues. But to my dismay, it was the same set of screen protectors that I already picked up. It was just under a different name. So I made the video, and while I was making the video, I'm like, hold up, it's under the same company. No, it was sold by a different company, but it's basically the same set of screen protectors. So I'm like, I made the video, I'm like, well, that doesn't make sense. And you know what? Just call that quits. Matter of fact, hold on guys, I think I got a phone call coming in here. Sorry about that, guys. Brief pause. Had to take that phone call. Didn't know if it was important or not. But as I was saying, I recently purchased a set of screen protectors, only to find out that they're made by the same company. So I did one whole video, and I'm like, wait a minute, is that the same company? Then I looked it up, and it was the same company. I'm like, well, that video is a waste. So yeah. Got some extra IEDS screen protectors. But I also picked that up alongside this Bestpu case for the Essential Phone PH1. And this case comes with some screen protectors. So that was just a little bit of backstory that I wanted to cover for you guys. Now, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. Now, as always, guys, I picked this up via Amazon, and it came rather quickly, or should I say it came a day late. This was actually supposed to be here yesterday, but it came a day late. But Amazon was very courteous about letting me know that the package was a little bit behind, and it was in my mailbox today, so I'm not upset. Good job, Amazon, and good job, Bestpu. But I have to say, this package looks very nice, looks very professional. And you can see it says Crafts Consummate Industry Model. So really nice there. And then it says Explosion Proof Tempered Glass. So I already cracked the tape and all the seals for minimal struggles. Cracking the box here. You guys can see we got a little divider there. Let me put this off to the side. Then we have our dust removal stickers, our wet and dry wipes, 3 sets of this, because we got 3 screen protectors. So 3 sets of that, wet and dry wipes. Not sure what that is, but I'll figure that out. Put that down to the side. Our other dust removal stickers, if I can get them out the package. Alright. Then we have the case itself. Now I got the black model. This also comes in clear. And pretty much it's just a nice silicone case. Alright. And what else we got in here? More foam. And I'm telling you, these screen protectors in case was mad protected, son. And then right here we should have these screen protectors themselves. Alright. So yeah, this feels like regular plastic screen protectors. I don't know why they said tempered glass. Feels like regular plastic to me. But it is what it is. Still very nice to see. put that down to the side here. Then we have our user manual. And I bet this is to, how to install the tempered glass screen protectors. So real nice. I'm going to just hold this up to the screen. Feel free to pause and read for yourselves. If you guys end up picking up this case and 3 screen protector package, and maybe you want to see what the instruction booklet looks like. So real good stuff there. Pause and read. And then on the back, we got some more instructions. Here, let me fold this out all the way for you guys. So this is the first page. And that's the second page. Alright, and then that's the third page. Okay. And then we got some more instructions on the back, which is again just everything that came in the package. So you can see we got our screen protector, we got our film, we got our wet and dry wipes, got our dust removal sticker, we got our scraping card. Okay, so that little thing is a scraping card to get all the bubbles out. Really nice stuff. I gotta say it already because you guys know I've done a lot of screen protectors and a lot of case reviews for the Essential phone so far. And by far, aside from the Poetic case, I have to say that this Bestpu case and screen protector package is probably the best one that I've seen so far, aside from the Poetic series. So really good job, Bestpu. Really good stuff. Now let me clean all this stuff up. We're gonna leave one of the screen protectors out because we're gonna install that as soon as we end this video. So let me just leave out one of these and put the rest to the side. Alright. Okay. Move the screen protector to the side. Move this user manual to the side. You guys can see I got my Essential phone here. Now, as I said, I picked up these extra screen protectors without knowing that it was from the same company. So I already went ahead and cracked it and went through the unboxing and first impressions and went through the installation. And you guys can see I ended up with pretty much the same deal. And after doing some research, I think it's because there's no adhesive around the edges. Why I keep getting these bubbles on the Aedes tempered glass screen protector. And I actually looked at somebody's review and they said the same thing. So it looks like they got adhesive in the middle, but it doesn't extend to the edges. But I was still very proud of myself because this was the best I can do. I don't know if y'all remember my first review of the Aedes tempered glass screen protector. I may or may not have had a few bubbles down here, but I was able to get that out on this one. But I still have those bubbles around the edges, which it's okay, but it's still not cool, especially when the tempered glass company advertises edge-to-edge protection with a curved glass. And again, you guys can see that's not edge-to-edge. But moving on, let's try this new case here, this Bestpu case, and then we'll wrap up the video. Let me throw this off to the side and bring this one in. And I gotta say, I'm a big fan of black, so I'm liking the color already. I thought it was gonna be more of a matte black and not a glossy black, but I don't know how well the camera can pick it up, but there's some nice little patterns on the inside of that. It's very slight, but putting it on the phone here, let's check this out. If I can get it on the phone here. Let's see. Oop. Case struggles. Alright, there we go. One side, two sides, and we're in business. So, wow, this case is a very, very snug fit, but it feels very nice. And, you know, it again adds some much needed grip. Because as I said before, the Essential phone without a case, although it feels very good in the hands, it's a very, very slippery beast. So you can see all of our buttons are covered. We still got cutouts for our fingerprint sensor, cutouts for our camera, our LED flash, laser autofocus, microphone. cutouts for the the USB Type-C down there, cutouts for our other microphone, and cutouts for our speaker grill. Really good stuff there. Oops. And you guys can see it actually incorporates a little bit of raisivity there, so that's nice. So when I put it face down, I'm not touching my screen. And also, when I put it face down on the back, I'm not touching my fingerprint sensor, so no need to worry about getting that scratched. I'm not scratching up my camera lenses or my LED flash. So, really, really nice. Really nice. Alright, so first impressions, it seems pretty good. Now, y'all know I'm going to reserve all judgments until after I do the full review, and this full review should take me about a week from the posting of this video. So, that being said, I hope everyone enjoyed the video, and sorry for that brief pause, I had to take a phone call. But if you guys and gals did enjoy the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And as always, guys and gals, if you guys and gals want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. And as always, if this video has piqued your interest, all links to where to pick up this case and screen protector combo will be located down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description is going to be like a one-stop shop for you guys, and you should be good to go. And as always, I keep repeating that, I need to find another segue word. If you guys and gals know anyone out there looking for the best performing devices and products at the cheapest possible prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. Alright guys and gals, have a good day, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace. Oh, and this whole video was recorded using the 13 megapixel camera on the LG Stylo 3 with no external mic hooked up. So please let me know how the video looks, and please let me know how the audio sounds down below in the comments. Alright, now I'm done. Have a good one, everybody. Yeah. Peace. I had to. I had to. Let's go on the trip real quick. Look at this. That is the Bestpu screen protectors. I went through all three of them bad boys. Let me tell you something, Bestpu. All respect. Y'all gotta work on the screen protector game here. That was not an easy installation at all. And even after I got it installed, I had mad bubbles. I'll be sure to put in a picture of what it looked like after I got it installed. And it happened all 3 times. No, Bestpu, no. Gotta work on that screen protector game. All due respect. Okay? And then next. What's up with the dry ass wet wipes? Yo, it's called a wet wipe for a reason. Y'all ain't the only case and screen protector manufacturer to do this. Listen. Public service announcement. Screen protector manufacturers, if you guys send dry and wet wipes with your screen protectors, whether it be plastic or tempered glass, please make sure that if you say wet wipe, what does this say? Wet wipes. Please make sure the wipe is wet. Damn it. I apologize for the bad language. But dry ass wet wipe. Not going to work. Not gonna work. Okay. I apologize. I was extremely frustrated that 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 screen protector installation just got your boy extremely frustrated. We're gonna take a deep breath. We're gonna reel it in. All right. All due respect, Bestpu. I like the package. I like the look and the presentation of your packaging. Your case for the Essential Phone PS1, PH1, pretty good. Been using it for like an hour or so, pretty good. But the screen protectors that you guys included, no. Y'all gotta go back to the drawing board on that one. Y'all can see I reinstalled my IEDIA screen protector because if I'm gonna be reviewing this case, I need some protection from my screen. Bestpu, I could tell you off the bat, and this is the unboxing and first impressions. Love your presentation, like your case so far. Screen protector, go back to the drawing board. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna write up an Amazon review, and you just lost 2 stars already off rip. You lost 2 stars. One, you had everything that you needed to have, but your instructions for installation were not clear, and regardless of how many times I did it, I came out with massive amounts of bubbles. Massive amounts. So, no, Bestpu, no. Alright, everybody, I'm gone. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, because I done had it. This is the second cut that I've added to this video. I do apologize because you guys know I try to do everything all in one take and I try to make it raw and uncut, but I had to. The frustration levels, I had to. Alright, I hope everybody has a good day and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace.